In this video, you'll learn how to sell a limited risk binary option to short the S&P 500. Let's get started. Once you've logged into your Nadex trading account, on the top left-hand side of the platform, click Binary Options, Indices, and then select a duration under US 500. In this example, we clicked Daily. You'll be able to see the current price of the market and a list of the various strike prices of daily binary options. Next, click on the specific contract you're interested in. This will populate a chart showing the price of the S&P 500 as well as bring up an order ticket on the right-hand side of the platform. On the order ticket, you'll see the specifics for the S&P 500 binary option. This includes the current indicative price of the S&P 500, when the contract expires, and the specific terms of the binary option. The terms of the binary option we've selected are: will the US 500 finish higher than 3267 at 4:15 p.m. Eastern at the end of the day? To take a short position in the S&P 500, click Sell. This means you're predicting the S&P 500 will not finish higher than the strike price selected. On the chart, you'll notice the red highlighting that indicates where the price of the S&P 500 would have to settle at expiration for your prediction to be correct and a short position to be profitable. At the bottom of the ticket, your potential maximum profit or loss is clearly calculated before you enter the trade. In this example, you'd be risking $65 to potentially make $35, excluding any exchange fees. An important note when trading binary options: you can exit a trade early. Just because there's an expiration associated with the contract does not mean you have to wait for expiration to see what happens. You can choose to close a position early if you'd like to lock in profits or limit losses. To close a short position, you'd simply buy it back at the current market price. The easiest way to do this is to simply click on your open position in the positions window to populate an order ticket to reverse out your trade. And there you have it. You can now leverage Nadex binary options to trade the short side of the S&P 500.